Hey everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to redeem codes in Monopoly Go. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is open the Monopoly Go app and log into your account. After that, go open a browser and search for Monopoly Go redeem codes free. Click the link that I am about to click. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see working Monopoly Go dice links. Click one of the links. It will automatically open the Monopoly Go app and give you a GIF. Do the same thing for other links. And that is how you redeem codes in Monopoly Go.